In the dim twilight of a misty forest, a boy named Max and his loyal dog, Buddy, embarked on an adventure like no other. They had ventured deep into the woods, chasing the allure of a legendary treasure hidden for centuries. Their journey led them to an ancient tree, its gnarled branches twisting like the fingers of a witch. Max had deciphered cryptic clues that pointed here, and his heart raced with excitement. But as they dug near the tree's roots, they disturbed something sinister, a hidden chamber filled with eerie relics. Max, undeterred, retrieved an ornate box adorned with mysterious symbols. As he touched it, the forest grew still, and a chilling wind whispered secrets long forgotten. The box slowly creaked open, revealing a gemstone that shimmered with an otherworldly light. Suddenly, a shadowy figure emerged from the depths of the forest. Max's heart sank as he recognized the legend, a guardian of the treasure. Panic set in, and he clutched Buddy's collar, but the dog stood firm, ready to protect his friend. The guardian, a spectral apparition, spoke in a haunting voice. "The treasure is not for the unworthy. Prove your worth or suffer the consequences." Max felt his courage waver, but he knew he had come too far to turn back. The guardian presented a riddle, a test of intellect and bravery. With Buddy's loyal eyes upon him, Max faced the challenge. Hours passed as he pondered, but with Buddy's unwavering support, Max finally solved the riddle. The guardian's eerie smile hinted at approval. In return, Max placed the gemstone back into the box, closing it with reverence. With the guardian's blessing, they left the forest, their friendship forged through an unforgettable test of courage and wit. Max and Buddy's bond grew even stronger, and the treasure they found wasn't gold or jewels, but the enduring connection between a boy and his faithful dog. They emerged from the suspenseful forest, forever bound by their shared adventure and a love that would last a lifetime.